Do you wish you were sleeping better? Or maybe sleeping more deeply, like you want to wake up and you want to feel better rested? Well, good news. I have 3 recipes for you that will help improve your sleep with the power of plant magic. The power of plant magic. Did you know sleep is one of our biggest struggles? Biggest struggles for most adults. I mean, daily life, sicknesses, illnesses, stressors, they all take a toll. And one of the places it hurts most is the quality of your sleep. Now, I'm kind of obsessed with plant magic. So I have been experimenting with a few different essential oil blends to help me personally get some better Z's. And these work. So I thought I'd share them with you in the hopes that they'll do the same for you. These are all for a diffuser, by the way. Okay. The first go-to blend is what I'm calling Sweet Dreams Blend. Now, here's what's in the Sweet Dreams Blend. First off, a little Roman chamomile, a little ylang ylang, and doTERRA's signature blend, Serenity. And to get the specific amounts, like the specific drops, make sure that you get the freebie that I've linked up in the description of this video. And take note, like I said, Serenity is a proprietary blend by doTERRA. If you can't get your hands on Serenity, in the download I've included the oils so you can somewhat hack it up or make it on your own. Or you can contact me and I'll help you get the blend. Anyways, I choose these 3 oils specifically for this blend because they're amazeballs at calming the nervous system and promoting mental rest. When some of you go to bed, you probably can't shut your brain off. Does it sound like you? So this blend of Serenity, Roman chamomile, and ylang ylang is amazing for that. The soothing effects of ylang ylang and the Roman chamomile and the grounding effects of the Serenity are what makes it all worth it. And Serenity is specifically formulated to ease restlessness, which means relief, not only from all the thoughts that are swirling around constantly in your head or your brain when you're just trying to get some sleep, but if you're somebody whose body like literally can't relax at night, Serenity can help you with that. Before I give you the next recipe, I've got to tell you, these are all diffuser recipes, and to get the most out of them, you want to load up and start your diffuser about 30 to 40 minutes before you're about to go to sleep. So I pop this top off, fill it with water, and get it going well before I plan to turn my eyes closed, okay? This way your bedroom will be absolutely ready to go, all right? Now here's the second sleep-inducing essential oil recipe. I'm calling this one Mellow Out Blend. And it has frankincense, lavender, copaiba, and wild orange in it. First of all, it smells amazing. I should bottle this one up and carry it everywhere with me, to be honest, and smell on the go. Like put it in a roller ball, especially for those times where it's great if you just get stressed out and you're out and about and you just need a little boost of something to calm you down. But secondly, I'm going to call it the Mellow Out Blend because of the addition of the copaiba or copaiba. Okay, if you aren't familiar with what that oil is, the easiest way to explain it is to tell you that it's a cannabinoid. So, except it's way better than CBD in my opinion because there is a more direct pathway from this oil to your neurotransmitters. Copaiba's main constituents protect, boost, and support not only your brain and your heart, but your gut as well. So when it comes to brain support, copaiba is all about soothing and calming your nervous or anxious feelings, hence the mellowing out. And when it's combined with the lavender and the frankincense, I mean, come on, this is an all over head to toe powerhouse of a blend that supports and covers every major system of your body. You got to try it out. Now, the wild orange I added to this blend, just the tiniest of the drops, because you don't want too much wild orange in there. It's very uplifting at bedtime due to its energizing citrus properties. But it is good to bring in a little bit just to give you the vibes you need at bedtime. And who doesn't want good vibes at bedtime, right? It really elevates your mood while you're calming down. So let's talk about the last blend now. And this one's called the Easy Breather. And it's great for you if you get congested at night or you just want to clear your pathways, your nasal pathways. Now, I love this blend if I'm kind of feeling either a little bit under the weather, although you don't need to, or I just need the air in my bedroom to be supercharged so that I can breathe better. I mean, I live in Colorado. It is super dry here. And if you can breathe better, you can sleep better. For this one, you can literally add to doTERRA's proprietary blend, Breathe, but I also add cedarwood and tea tree. And if you don't have Breathe, you can substitute for a little eucalyptus, a little hint of peppermint. Both Breathe, the proprietary blend Breathe, and eucalyptus and peppermint are amazing for clearing your sinuses and encourage you to breathe better. They also help if you've got any respiratory congestion or anything like that. And I include the tea tree in this blend because it's an antiseptic, antibacterial, antimicrobial, all the properties you need when you're basically fighting off anything. And pro tip, you can take this blend, add it to a glass spray bottle with some distilled white vinegar and water, and you've made yourself a germ-fighting, multi-purpose spray. Okay, now, remember that freebie I mentioned before? It's time for you to grab it if you haven't already, so that you can get the specific drops amounts for your diffuser, and you can download it and make your breathing, your sleep, your rest better. HaleyHobson.com/3 sleep blends. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and you don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a video and you can catch me in the bedroom, right? And I'm also curious which of these recipes you're going to try. Which are you excited to try? So hit me up in the comments and I'll see you online.